Spotify Premium for free? Exploring the AppSkeen experience. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a question many of you might have asked. Can you really get Spotify Premium for free? I came across a platform called AppSkeen that claims to make it possible. I decided to test it out, and in this video, I'll share my experience, step by step. Let's find out if it's worth your time. Before we begin, I want to stress something important. This video is based on my personal experience, and I encourage you to always follow the terms and conditions of any service you use. With that said, let's dive into the details. So, what exactly is AppSkeen? It's a platform that offers perks like free subscriptions, including Spotify Premium, in exchange for completing simple tasks. The idea is simple. You invest a bit of time, and in return, you get some cool rewards. Sounds interesting, right? Here's how it worked for me. I visited the AppSkeen website and searched for Spotify. I clicked on the download option and was prompted to complete a quick task, downloading and using an app for a few minutes. After completing the task, I checked my Spotify account and found that the premium features were unlocked. It was a straightforward process, but keep in mind that tasks may vary depending on the offers available at the time. Is AppSkeen worth it? My honest opinion? It worked for me, but I'd recommend approaching platforms like this with caution. While it's a neat idea, the experience can differ based on your location, the tasks available, and other factors. It's always good to weigh the time and effort involved against the rewards you're getting. So there you have it. AppSkeen did help me access Spotify Premium for free, but it's always wise to explore other options too. Have you tried AppSkeen or a similar platform? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.